Assalamualaikum grade 3, how are you? This is Mrs. Fatma Amir here. Hope to see you fine at home. I guess you people must be missing your teachers, your school, your schoolmates. But no problem class, we people are still connected to one another in the form of online classes and videos. Now let's come to the main agenda. Today we are going to proceed towards our English reading. But first come to the date. Today the date is 14/12/2020 and the day is Monday. Okay, when you see this book, what comes to your mind? Do you memorize something? Yes, the last time we did the reading from this book, this is the title of this book is, you can see even the story map I shared with you. ठीक है ना, while you are reading a story, you should have these chunks in your mind. Title means name of the characters. Sorry, title means name of the story. Characters जो कि roles होते हैं. Fine, setting where the like scene is occurred. Ending means how the ending is done, like happy, sad or tragic. So when we are proceeding towards this story, what comes to your mind? This is maybe an adventurous sort of story. Fine, tragic stories है because the whole setting is being done on the sea. And this is Robinson Crusoe. I told you what is meant by Crusoe. It is derived from the word cruise, C-U-C-R-U-I-S-E, cruise. Cruise is the person who always wants to have a journey, जो कि घूमने फिरने का बहुत शौकीन होता है, and who is always in traveling, जो हमेशा घूम रहा होता है, इधर उधर सफ़र कर रहा होता है. Okay, what happened in this picture? We have read these pages, fine. What happened? Like the people are waving their hands to the people who are going away from one place to another, and now we'll see that who is going onto this ship. Yes, this is Robinson Crusoe. Fine, it is being explained in the first page that Robinson Crusoe since his childhood wanted to have a journey. ठीक है ना, वो घूमने फिरने का शौकीन था, and he wanted to go to sea. But what happened? His parents definitely refused his request to go to the sea. And later on, when he became a boy, he ran away along with his friend. Fine. And what happened when he was on the ship? What happened? There was a storm there. वहाँ पर तूफान आ गया समंदर में. Fine. And later on, when you see this, it looks as if the ship is going to be drowned in the sea. ऐसा लग रहा है कि जैसे कि शिप जो है समंदर में डूबने वाली है due to the thunderstorm. Fine. So what happened? He was missing his parents' advice not to go to the sea, and he was making a promise to himself that next time he would not refuse his parents' advice. Okay, now grade 3. Let's come to the reading part of today. Fine. You can see this picture. See what is going to be what is going on here. Robinson Crusoe is, he looks so much tired, and I guess he's sitting onto the rocks, like large stones. He's sitting on the large stones, and the ship is drowned. Fine. So let's start to read what is going to happen in the story. Fine. Now see here. Then there was a crash. A big wave came up and pulled Robinson Crusoe off the ship and into the water. अब क्या हुआ? एक बहुत बड़ा क्रैश मीन्स धमाका सा हुआ है, ठीक है ना, एक ज़ोर की आवाज़ आई है टूटने की, ठीक है. और एक वेव कहते हैं, WAVE, वेव कहते हैं समंदर की जो लहर होती है, ठीक है ना, एक तेज़ लहर आई और उसने क्या किया, a big wave came up and pulled Robinson Crusoe off the ship and into the water. यानी वो जो लहर थी उसको रॉबिन्सन क्रूसो को उठा के कहाँ पे ले गई? पानी के अंदर ले गई. इतनी ताकतवर लहर थी वो, ठीक है ना. He was into the ship, लेकिन अब वो शिप से नीचे गिर गया. Where? Into the water. But do you think so? Is this a risky thing for him or it's a good thing for him? Yes, it is a good thing for him. Why? Because he used to know how to swim. Let's start to read. It was a good thing he could swim. He could not see where he was going, but he swam on and on. ठीक है, वो उसके लिए अच्छा क्यों था? क्योंकि उसको पता था स्विमिंग कैसे करते हैं. Now if you see this picture, what comes to your mind? Yes, he saved. ठीक है ना, वो समंदर की लहरों का शिकार नहीं हुआ. He is not being victimized by the waves of the sea or of the ocean, but he saved. ठीक है, now he saved and he has come onto the rock on the island. Fine. At last he came to an island. What is an island? An island is actually a small piece of land surrounded by water. यानी वो जगह जिसके बीच में ज़मीन हो और सराउंडिंग में पानी हो, that is called an island. ठीक है ना, समंदर से वो अब एक island पर आ गया है. Where there is a space here, he could sleep there, he could stay there. Fine. This was a good luck for him. Now tired out he walked up the beach to get away from the big waves. ठीक है ना, वो बहुत tired out means बहुत ज़्यादा थका हुआ, वो क्या होता है, वो बीच की तरफ आता है to get away from the big waves, ताकि वो big waves यानी जो समंदर की बड़ी बड़ी लहरें हैं उनसे बच सके. Then he pulled himself up into a tree and stayed there all night. अब वो क्या हुआ है, now he has come under the shade of a tree or under the tree, so he could spend whole night over there. जाहिर सी बात है, खुले आसमान के नीचे तो नहीं सो सकता, so he took some shade from the tree, or you can say he took some shelter from the tree. Now class, when you see this picture, what comes to your mind? There are so many trees over here, the birds are flying, ठीक है ना, there is a very pleasant environment here, but what happens? What does he feel? What is he doing? Yes, he's calling his friends, he's calling on his friends. How? See, it seems that he's shouting, he's screaming to call for somebody's help, ठीक है ना, because he's alone here, definitely he would need somebody's help. So see what is going to happen in this part over here on this page. When the sun came up next day, Robinson Crusoe jumped down from the tree and went to look for the other men from the ship. Now here M-A-N men is written, ठीक है ना, this is the plural of M-A-N men. Now what has happened here? अब जब सूरज निकला है in the like this, there is a new morning here. ठीक है, what happened? Now he left the tree, like he was taking the protection, and he was lying down under the shade of the tree. So he jumped down, like वो जल्दी से उठा, ठीक है, और वो क्या देखने के लिए गया? He went to look for means to search for, तलाश करना. वो क्या तलाश करने के लिए गया? Like he was having some of the friends and some of the colleagues and some men were there on the ship, so he's looking for them. He's calling everybody for help, like बुला रहा है कि जल्दी से आओ, कोई आओ, मेरी मदद के लिए आओ, ठीक है. Now see here, he looked on the beach and in the trees, but he could see no one. He called out again and again, but no one was there. ठीक है, लाइक उसने अपनी पूरी कोशिश की कि किसी को ढूंढ ले, बट इट वॉज ऑल इन वेन, यानी कोई भी फ़ायदा नहीं हुआ, ठीक है. और वो सबको पुकारा, बट ही कुड नॉट हेयर एनी वॉइस. वाई? बिकॉज देयर वॉज नो बडी, नो क्रीचर वॉज देयर, नो ह्यूमन बींग वॉज देयर. ओके, व्हेन यू सी दिस पिक्चर, व्हाट कम्स टू योर माइंड? दिस इज़ अ बिग शिप हियर, ठीक है ना, एंड ही स्विमिंग. सो मे बी ही वॉज ऑन द आइलैंड एंड ही हैड अ साइट ऑफ द शिप, ठीक है ना, उस शिप का उसको साइट नज़र आया है, on which he was doing the journey. So maybe he starts to swim and he wants to reach to that place, वहीं पर आना चाह रहा है, and wants to see who is saved here. Now you can see these lines. Robinson Crusoe looked out to sea and there he saw the ship that he had been on. ठीक है ना, अब वो समंदर के पास आके वो शिप की तरफ उसने देखा कि वहाँ पर शिप है, and then he started to like he wanted to came back towards the ship. So what happened? He swam out to it to look for his friends. अब वो swim करके अपने दोस्तों को तलाश करने के लिए आए. Look for, I told you, look for means this is look for means तलाश करना, ठीक है. He called and called but no one was there. सबको आवाज़ देता है, बुलाता है by their names, and the names he even did not know he was calling them, but nobody was there because maybe the people are the people are drowned, ठीक है. Then he saw the ship's dog and 2 cats. He was pleased to have some friends at last. ठीक है, अब जिस शिप में वो जा रहा था उसमें there was a dog also and 2 cats were there. So he saw those 2 animals, ठीक है. He was pleased to have some friends at last. Pleased means happy. So the sight of the cats and the dog made him so much happy. At least he could find any of the friend of his, ठीक है ना. Now come to this line. You can come to my island with me, he said. Now because they are also in trouble, the cats and the dog, so he offered them the help to come to the island, ठीक है ना. उनको क्या बोल रहा है cats और dog को? They are over here, they are hidden somewhere, ठीक है. Now he is offering them to come to the island so they can be saved. Okay, when you see this picture, what comes to your mind? Yes, just have a look of this picture. See, they are on another raft, ठीक है ना, small ship. This is a small ship, जो छोटी सी ship होती है, that is called a raft. But right now I'm not going to read the story. I've just shown the picture to you guys, fine. So you people just ponder on this point, what is going to happen in this picture, like in this story, watching this picture. So till then, I guess class, till then regarding story, this is enough. But let me tell you now, new characters are being introduced over here. What are the 2 other characters? First, in the beginning, Robinson Crusoe was there, ठीक है ना. and then now two animals are being introduced here, the cat and the dog, the two cats and the dog. ठीक है ना? So it will also be in the characters. ठीक है? Setting अभी कहाँ की है? Now first of all, in the beginning the setting was of the, yes, like in the beginning he was at the sea, now he has come to the island. तो setting यहाँ पर क्या हुई है? Change हुई है. ठीक है? Ending तो definitely we don't know. So in the like we'll complete the whole story, then I'll ask you about the ending, how sort of ending you find. Fine. Till then, I think so class, this much is enough for you, and take a very good care of your health or yourself. Goodbye from my side. Allah Hafiz.